Yeah.
What up, motherfucking Pyro P? This is what the Gladiator did. Oh my god. This is a 6x6, guys. Was a 6x6. Shredded that fucking bitch. This motherfucker is solid, but it ain't old. Alright, now I gotta get back across this lagoon. We're gonna do some demos on this Memorial Day. We're gonna start with what I think will be the quietest to the loudest. My buddy brought some over too. Thanks to him, my cameraman. He's got a hell of a donation for me. He said the shit sucks, but fireworks to me are fireworks. Nothing sucks. Well, I guess I can't say nothing sucks, but some things are better than others. Alright, let's start with the small stuff. So, we got snaps by, let me see here if I can find it. Oh.
See, boys are so simple. You always got
Mad Hornet. We got the other, some snaps, some jumbo snaps by Legend.
Try to hit that pole.
We got Boo Stink Bomb. Oh, we ain't doing none of them. We got a jumbo M5000, right? Oh, we gotta go to the next post. That post is full. We got
Horrible aim.
M5000 by
No, I can't.
World Class. We got a Vixen M200. We got a European K2. We got an old Sparkler. We won't say nothing else.
But you're supposed to aim.
We got a Thunder King.
The pole.
Nah, the real target is the disc.
We got a little FP3 Mini. We got a Viper 1. Sorry if these guys are upside down and shit. And for the last but least, my buddy asked me to do a Satanic. So, we're going to get the demo on. We'll start with the small shit.